So guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll guide you step by step on how I designed a professional business flyer for a customer on my phone using Pixellab application. Pixellab is a great tool to use to create an awesome, amazing and professional flyer. Alright, so if you're really interested in learning this, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, that is if you're new here. Alright, so once we open the application, this is the first thing we're going to see. And then to get started, what we're going to do is to just delete this text here. Alright, then after we've done that, we're going to change the background. So I click here, then I click on color, then I click color, then I go to white. Alright, then after we've done that, we're going to change the image size. So we'll go to image size, and we're just going to reduce the width to 1000. Alright, then I click OK. Alright, so once we've done that, the next thing we're going to do is to create a shape. Come over here and click on shapes. Then I'm going to increase it a little. Okay, then I'm going to use a gradient. So I click on gradient, then I'm just going to use this one here. You can decide to use whatever color or whatever color mixture. Okay, then I click OK. So once I've done that, I'm going to go to marks. I'm going to use this tool called marks. Alright, then I'm just going to take this here and then take this up a little. Okay, then you just need to just do it step by step and get what you want. So once I've clicked enable, I click on out. Okay, then once we've done that, we're just going to click on OK. Alright, so after we've done that, we're just going to increase this and bring it down here. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to create another copy of it. Alright, this one here, I'm going to turn it upside down like this. Alright, then I'm going to increase the size so I can have something like this. Alright, let's push this up a little. Okay, so once we have gotten what we want, then we're just going to come over here and lock the tool. Okay, so it doesn't shake as we are working. Okay, so after we've done that, then the next thing we're going to do is to go to draw. We click on draw, then I'm just going to increase the smoothness to 100. Alright, then I click on fill inside. Alright, so we just need to just draw like this. Okay, so once you've done that, just click OK. Then we're going to change the color. We're going to use the same gradient we used earlier. So I'll click on gradient, and I'm going to use this one here. Right, I'm going to increase it a little and bring it just down here. Then I'm going to go to shadow. I click on shadow, then I click enabled. Okay, then I'm just going to increase the blur radius to 25. Then let's take offset X to about, okay, let's leave it at 30. Then the offset Y, let's just leave it at 15. Okay, so then after I've done that, what I'm going to do now is to use a color for the background. So instead of using just black, we're going to use one of the, like, we're going to just click on this plus icon, then I click on this color picker. Okay, then I'm just going to pick a color out of this gradient. So just use this light part. Alright, then I click OK. Okay, so yeah, then I click OK. Then after we've done that, we create another copy. Okay, then we're going to take this to the back, and I just bring it over here. Alright, so once we have done that, then we're going to create a shape. We increase the radius to 100. Then I'm just going to put it over here. Yeah, right there. We can increase the size a little. Then once we have done that, we're going to create another shape. Just increase it, but this time around we're going to be using the gradient. Alright, then increase it a little also and just bring it right here. Alright, so after I've done that, I create a copy of it, and I'm just going to change this one here to white, because that's where we're going to add our image. Alright, then just reduce the size and just put it right here. Okay, so after we have done that, then the next thing we're going to do is create a text. Alright, so I just create a text right here, and I come over here. So about us, change to capital letters. Then I'm going to change the font. Alright, then I'm going to use the same gradients for the font. So I just reduce this a little and bring it here. Alright, then I make a copy of it. Then I'm just going to click on this and change it to our services. Right, then we change it to capital letters. Okay, so once I've done that, I create another text. Then I'll double click, and then I'm just going to delete this and paste this. Okay, so I click OK. Alright, so after we have done that, we are just going to now import. Okay, so after we've done that, now we're going to import our social media icon. Alright, then I'm just going to use this part. Then I go to erase color, and I use this color picker to select black. Alright, then I'm just going to increase the tolerance to about 16 and 1. Then I'm just going to reduce this size a bit too. Alright, then we're just going to create a text. And then we're just going to change the color to white. And we're going to reduce the size. Alright, so we'll create a copy of it. Okay, so once we have done this, now we're just going to add the image. So we click on this circle, this plain white circle we have there. Then I'm just going to add texture. I click on the image icon and I'm just going to search for the image. This is this one here. Right, then I click OK. So what we want to do now is just go to color and disable it. Okay, then we go back, then we go to texture, we go back to texture and select enabled, and we just increase the scale to 115 degree, so 115%. So once we have done that, the next thing we're going to do now is to import our logo. Now this logo we are using, I have a tutorial on how I designed it on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link to the video in the description section of this video, so for those who are interested in learning how to design it. So I'm just going to paste it here. And that's brings us to the end of this tutorial. This is basically the flyer. I hope the video was helpful. If the video was helpful, make sure to give it a like. That is, if you have not liked the video yet, please like this video. Come on, just to support me. And also make sure to share the video with someone who you feel may find the video helpful. And if you are new here and you have not subscribed, please subscribe right now so you can see more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.